What's going on, YouTube fam? It's your boy Rockefeller back for another video. Hope all of you guys are doing well. I told you guys earlier on from past videos that I was going to be unboxing and taking a look at Samsung's new soundbar system for 2024. This is their new Q990D, and the TV behind me is from 2022, the Q990D. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed.
He good. You must be crazy.
All right, let's get it started. All right, guys, so the first thing you'll see when you unbox the soundbar setup is the soundbar itself. Here is the 2024 Samsung Q990D. And like last year's version, is very heavy. So here is the soundbar. So I'm gonna take this off. Here is the soundbar, you guys. It is pretty heavy. Last year's was pretty heavy as well. All right, next, it looks like the subwoofer. Whoa, and it's heavy. Here's a sub. Last but not least, this looks like the rear speakers. All right, there's nothing left in the box.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, here is the Samsung Q990D. This particular soundbar is supposed to come with 4K at 120 Hertz. So if you plug in your PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X or PC, you should be able to get 4K at 120 Hertz via the soundbar. So you no longer have to plug it into the back of a TV. You should be able to plug in your external devices to this device and run them through this soundbar and should get 4K at 120 Hertz VRR. On the back of it, you get 3 HDMI ports. One of them is eARC. You have your power port just like last year, and you have your digital audio in. All right, guys, let's take a look at the sub. So upon looking at the sub, it looks like this is going to be all of your cables. All right, so you have some literature here. You have 4 power cables. You have a power cable to the soundbar, a power cable to the sub, and 2 power cables for the rears, just like last year. So 4 power cables. You also have some wall mounts if you want to wall mount your soundbar to the wall. You have 2 wall mounts here. Also in the box with the power cords, guys, we have the remote, and it comes with some AAA batteries. The remote is not solar powered. You can open it from the bottom here, but it's essentially the same remote as last year. Okay, guys, so here's 2024's Q990D remote for the soundbar. And here is last year's 2023 Q990C remote. And as you can see, guys, they're basically the exact same remote, no difference. Same color and everything.
A few minutes later.
Let's take a look at the sub here. Okay, the sub is substantial, just like last year. It's pretty heavy. All right, guys, so here's the sub, just like last year's. Very nice. Compared to last year's, this soundbar kind of looks like it's a little bit darker. So it's not a grayer finish. It looks like it's a little bit more black. Last but not least, guys, we have the rear speakers. Okay. This is rear speaker left. And this is rear speaker right. All right, guys, so essentially we have the same setup as last year when it comes to the hardware. Everything looks similar. The updates are going to be more the software. On the software side, we're going to have the 4K 120 VRR. We're going to have some other things that we're going to discuss upon further inspection of the soundbar. If you like this type of content, please stick around, like, subscribe, share. We'll dive deeper into this soundbar. I'm looking forward to it. All right, guys, so that wraps up the unboxing of Samsung's Q990D for 2024. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. Like, subscribe, share. And like I always say, I hope you guys are doing well. Stay safe and game on. Peace.